gentlemen, welcome to the 2013 Greenville Armed Forces Day Parade and Celebration. Arriving by helicopter is Sergeant Major Gary M. Little. Sergeant Major Little has been the Operations Sergeant Major of the 415th CBRN Brigade since August 2011. He entered the active Army in September 1988 at Fort McClellan, Alabama, where he was trained as a chemical specialist. Sergeant Major Little left active duty